If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. When I was growing up, there was a very famous TV commercial on Indian television. Sunday hoya Monday, rose khaw Monday, which means irrespective of the days, we must eat eggs every day. Why not? Eggs are an excellent and inexpensive source of high quality protein. Today I'll share an egg recipe that you can make and enjoy during your Easter brunch. That's Scotch egg. Here, boiled eggs are coated with mince meat and some spices. They're very delicious and kids love these.
Please note the ingredients needed to make Scotch eggs. Eggs or ande, chicken mince or chicken ka keema, salt or namak, red chili or lal mirch powder, cilantro or hara dhania, finely chopped onion, barik kata hua pyaz, finely chopped garlic, barik kata hua lesan, oil or tel. So check description box for more information on the recipe. First of all, we must boil the eggs. For that, heat water in a pan, add in half teaspoon of baking soda and gently drop 7 eggs in this water and let these boil for 10 minutes. After that, remove the eggs and put them in cold water. After about a minute, peel the eggs and perfectly boiled eggs are ready. Keep them aside. Also check the recipe of restaurant style egg curry. Now other preparation. Take mince meat in a bowl. This meat should be nicely clean and drained. We do not want extra moisture here. Add in finely chopped onion, garlic, cilantro, salt and red chili powder to your taste. You can also use dehydrated herbs here like dehydrated onion and dehydrated garlic in case you do not have fresh. Now crack 1 egg into this meat and now mix everything. You can also check the recipe of lemon beet balls. The preparation is almost the same. So our Scotch egg mixture is ready and keep it aside. If you feel that the mixture is too difficult for you to handle, you may add little bit of breadcrumbs here, which I did not add in my recipe. Now take some mixture in your hand, put in the boiled egg like this and nicely close the egg in the meat mixture. So the egg is inside the chicken now and smoothen it nicely in between your palms and prepare all the eggs in the similar fashion. And for frying, heat oil and gently drop the Scotch egg in hot oil. Do not disturb for initial 1 minute and after that gently pour hot oil over it like this. And frying should be done only on medium heat so that the chicken gets cooked from within. Flip and fry till the eggs are golden to look at. You can even prick a fork and check if they are cooked from within. And chicken lovers cannot miss KFC fried chicken here. Now when the egg is ready, gently remove using a slotted spatula and let me show you how it looks from within. Cut it open. See, the eggs are nicely cooked. And for those who do not eat chicken, you can check the recipe of cheese burst pizza balls and the same mixture can be used to make Scotch eggs here. Like I have coated my eggs with the vegetable mixture and the vegetable coated Scotch eggs are ready. So whether you make vegetable coated Scotch egg or chicken coated Scotch egg, I wish you a blessed and a happy Easter. Serve them to your guests and have fun on your Easter day. Thanks for watching.